Hey day traders, so today let's talk about how exactly to trade during power hour. So to trade during power hour, with my specific strategy being the supply and demand trading strategy, I basically look for a few key little things. So first, I actually draw my zones on the 5-minute chart during or a little bit before power hour, and that's on the 5-minute here. So if I zoom in, let me show you what exactly I'm talking about. So let's just say, hypothetically, from 8:30 to I guess 13:45 down here, that I can't make a trade, you can't make a trade, we're busy, we actually have a real life, we don't like staring at the freaking chart all day. That's fair. So here's what I do. I basically come in for the last hour, which is this, if I draw my little blue line here, is at 14 o'clock military time. As a result, you can basically play during the most volatile time of the market for SPY specifically. And you can realistically, some of my students for the VIP trading program only trade during this last hour because movements like this happen almost every other day. So realistically, the question becomes, well, why not only trade this? The answer to it is you can. So look at it this way. Let's say you're coming back into your office, your room, your laptop, your desktop, whatever it is at this time at 14 o'clock, and it's coming down. What you need to do is actually just basically look to say, okay, well, where's the next zone where this thing's possibly going to hit to on a bottom? So before it starts rushing upward. In that example, you only have two spots you can technically look at. One is right here, and I'll draw the zones in a second. One is hypothetically right here. Two is hypothetically down here. And if I get my rectangles, it's going to be the 399.38, which is a line price number, plus 10 cents. So it's going to be 48. And then we can do the same thing for this little guy as well. And just leave it up that. And then here's the key to it, right? If you notice, for one, it started up here, started coming down, didn't bounce at all. Obviously, that's not our freaking zone. Two, there's this little guy down here, being this is the zone initiated from, came down, it tapped down here, ran up. Perfect, beautiful example is if you go down here, you can see it tried to bounce here, but it failed. Tried to bounce down here, and it actually perfectly ran up. You could have easily got this move up here, or, of course, this move going up down over here on the right side, where the volume's initially also going up. Since power hour is going towards the end of the day, I buy same day expiration contracts typically. So for me, that's a lot of profit, should be a lot of profit for you regardless. So that's how you trade during power hour with the supply and demand trading strategy. Hopefully that makes sense. Go ahead and leave me a comment below if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or any recommendations for videos I should make next week. And I look forward to talking with you in the comments on YouTube.